Hello everyone and welcome back to my. This is silver nitrate. You might be wondering what exactly is silver nitrate. By dissolving silver in nitric acid, we obtain silver nitrate. By adding salt to silver nitrate, we'll precipitate the silver as a silver chloride. Silver chloride appears as a white precipitated and looks like a ghost in the room. I will add some hydrochloric acid to make sure all the silver has been precipitated. Now we need to wash it about 10 times with hot water. This will remove all the impurities. In this stage, we need to turn the silver chloride into silver oxidized. To achieve this, we can use lime. By adding lime to silver chloride will change from white to dark color, and the reaction generates significant heat, reach up to 300 degrees. Let it sit for about 50 minutes to ensure all the silver chloride has oxidized into silver oxide. Time to add sugar to convert the silver oxide into silver metal. When we add sugar to silver oxide, it generates heat again around 300 degrees. So you need to be cautious and avoid burning yourself. After that, we will wash the product again, then dry it, and finally we have pure silver. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. See you next time.